houses in China. Its shed-assembled combined star houses consist of 7 modes, namely 50 tons, 100 tons, 150 tons, 200 tons, 300 tons, 400 tons, and 500 tons. These products have been patented with a patent number of 2012-102003999.9. They are characterized by exchangeable silo body, easy and fast installation, firm structure, smooth appearance, and excellent seal. Compared with mass storehouse, their transport costs are much lower. If these storehouses are transported with a 17.5-meter long trailer, for 100 tons or 550 tons storehouses, or 3.5 of 200 ton storehouses, or 2 300 ton storehouses can be transported. Being easy to transport in containers, they have been widely used by both domestic and foreign customers and received good comments. A shed-assembled combined storehouse is composed of silo, outrigger, dust collector, protective grating, feeding pipes, outside ladder, pneumatic arc breaker, discharge valves, and a gas control box. And its installation needs a 25-ton crane, electric wrench, crowbar, box wrenches, glue gun, and electric welder. The script shows the installation of a 100-ton storehouse. See institutions for other details. 1. Installation of sheets. Spread sealant on flat plate adhesive strip and sheet 1. Then press the strip on sheet 1 with the hole being aligned. Put sheet 2 near the flat plate adhesive strip, but do not press it close to the strip. A gap of around 1 centimeter should be left between it and the flat plate adhesive strip. Then put a bolt through the hole. Spread sealant on the inside between sheet 2 and the flat plate adhesive strip. Tighten the bolts one by one to connect the 2 sheets. And then spread sealant on the seam inside the silo. The lower con is divided into a big con and a small con. The big con contains 4 sheets, marked with 1A, 1B, 1B, 1C, 1C, 1D, and 1D, 1A respectively. The 2 sheets bearing the same marks should be connected on the sides in the aforesaid manner. The small con can still apart by itself. 2. Assembly of sections. Apply sealant on the inclined plate adhesive strip and the big con. Then press the strip onto the big con with the hole being aligned. Lift the small con with its mouth facing downwards, and take it near the big con with around 1 centimeter gap left between it and the adhesive strip. Then put a bolt through the hole. Spread sealant on the inside between the small con and the inclined plate adhesive strip. Tighten the bolts one by one to connect the 2 sections of silo. And then spread sealant on the seam inside the silo. put the lowest section of cylinder silo, the sections in the middle part, the top section and the cover upside down, and assemble them one by one. When assembling the middle sections, the ladder inside the silo must be kept in a straight line vertically. Meanwhile, the two holes in the two material level meters should be kept in a straight line. There is a maintenance hole in the cover, which should be fixed straight to the ladder inside the silo. Finally, lift the silo with a small hook with a crane and slowly put the silo down to the ground with the big hook. Three. Installation of outriggers. Connect the 4 trigger posts to the 4 trigger bearings on the lower coil with bolts. Join the horizontal and inclined supporting bars on the outriggers with bolts. There are a few horizontal supporting bars having 2 holes in the middle section on the side of channel iron, which should be assembled opposite to the material level meters. A horizontal supporting bar bearing 6 holes, which should be installed below the discharged outlet of the storehouse, and a horizontal supporting bar having 4 holes in it, which must be used together with a 6-hole horizontal supporting bar and mounted at the same height and on the opposite side. Install the 2 maintenance platforms with bolts on the aforesaid 4-hole and 6-hole horizontal supporting bars below the discharge outlet of the storehouse. 4. Assembly of outside ladder and protective grating. The outside ladder is installed between 2 outriggers on the side, where the material level meters lie. Connect a group of 250 x 50 x 580 angle steel bars to the horizontal supporting bar of the outrigger, and join the other ends of the angle steel bars to the outside ladder and protective grating and fix them with bolts. Fix the outside ladder and the protective grating to the other end of the short angle steel in the direction of the outside ladder. 5. Assembly and installation of peripheral devices. Connect the feeding pipe flange to a flange with bolts, with rubber gasket between them. Put them between a feeding pipe and the silo, and join them together with short angle steel bar, and then fix the feeding pipes with U-bolts. A dust collector, which is an end product, should be installed after the silo is erected, but the connector should be welded to the coil mouth on the silo cover. There are 3 pieces of silo top protective grating, which should be connected with each other with bolts. Then insert the vertical supporting tubes into the thick casings on the flanges at the edge of the silo cover. Tighten screws and fix the protective grating on silo top. Tighten 6 arc breaker connectors into the 6 screw holes in the small coil of the storehouse. Wrap a roll adhesive tape on the male connections of material level meters and screw them into the screw holes in the silo. Apply sealant on the flange on the discharge valve. Align it with the flange at the discharge outlet, and then tighten the bolts. Six. Silo erection. After the assembly of the whole storehouse, lift the storehouse with a crane and put it on the platform. Let the silo face the discharge outlet of the screw conveyor and weld the silo outriggers to the embedded bolt plate in foundation. Then install the desk connector and fix the gas control box to the platform. Connect the arc breaker to the gas control box. Add air pump. At last, connect the circuits of the dust collector, the upper and lower material level meters, and the gas control box. 7. Installation demo of other parts of different types. As shown in the animation, the cover of either 200 tons or 300 ton storehouses consists of 4 sheets, which should be fitted in the order of their number. The 200 tons and 300 ton storehouses are composed of 3 sections: big con, middle con, and a small con, with the composition of each section shown as below. Each sheet of the cons bears 2 numbers, and assembly should be made in the order of their number. The animation of 200 ton storehouse shows its assembly process. Providing first-class products and